6 steps to build $1 million business. Number 1. Understand your skills, your strength. Everyone has got their own set of skills and strength. We don't really realize until we dig deep into our hearts and look at the historical data or the history of what have you been doing since the past few years, and then look at those instances where you have excelled in your job or in your business or in your day-to-day life. Identify those skills. Those are your strengths. Nurture them to make them better. Number 2, focus on customer. Focus on the problem that you're going to solve. Do the market research. Understand what problem you can solve. And understand how your customers can benefit from your skill. That's really important. Number 3, have a stronger vision. Have a vision to help people. It is just not you. It is just not your profits. It is just not your business. You should start helping out people. Do everything wholeheartedly. Do it from your heart. Try to help people. Have the vision to make others' life better. That's when things will come around to you and you will be better. Number 4, plan the strategy. Every successful business today have got a clear-cut, predefined strategy in place. You should have the correct strategy in place, the right strategy in place. Strategy can be how you build the product, how you serve the customers, and how you market the product, and how you improve the product as well. Number 5, take step-by-step approach. Don't just hurry. Things has to be done step by step. Take baby steps. You will start seeing the changes. Have patience. And number 6, the last one, have measurable goals. It is just not that you build a strategy and start executing it. You have to keep measuring your progress and monitoring your growth. That's when you can improve yourself. Something that cannot be measured can never be improved. Keep that in mind. So follow these 6 steps or 6 different strategies to build any business or to grow any business to $1 million level. These are the key things that you should keep in mind. Hope this video has helped you to understand a few things from the business perspective. This is Mohammad Shoaib Naveed, logging off until we meet again. Take care and goodbye.